Alright, now that we've created our home page and I've gone over setting up these home page boxes, I'm just going to real quick once again show you how to toss an image up at the top. Basically we have our child pages set up 1, 2, and 3. You can edit them, and all you're going to want to do is add a featured image. So we click set featured image after we've uploaded our image. Select the image we want, click set featured image and update. And then I'm going to do the same for child page number 1. We're going to add another icon. Click set featured image, select it, and set our image. Then once we've updated those pages, we can refresh our home page, and you can see how this is going to work out just like our live preview. So a couple things that we're leaving out, of course, are the widgets. And these are what we use to create the portfolio posts, pull in, and all sorts of good stuff. So, for instance, let's go ahead and go under Appearance and Widgets. And what you'll see is homepage widgets number 1 and widgets number 2. And they both work exactly the same. The only difference is that the content will go in between. So homepage widget 1 is at the top and homepage widget 2 is at the bottom. So in our live preview, for instance, we use homepage number 1 for that featured content area. One thing to make note of is the homepage widgets are labeled progression home, and those are the widgets that you're going to want to use on the homepage. All the other widgets will display, but it won't be formatted as beautifully as the homepage specific ones. So let's just get into it and drop an example widget, the featured area. So once we've done that, you can see it showing up right here. And we have some sample content already in there, and it's pretty straightforward. You have your title, you have a subtitle if you want to place that in, and then you have 2 buttons with a button separator. Then you can add the links for the buttons as you need. So that one's super self-explanatory. And then the next widget area, as I mentioned, is below the page content. And the live preview, for instance, uses portfolio posts. So once you refresh your page, you can see your list of portfolio items are going to show up down here. You have the ability to add a link to the title or leave it not linking to a page. Our live preview just links to one of the portfolio pages. So then you have a couple options. So this is what I needed to go over the most with these widgets, and this is exactly how it works for products and blog posts. You can adjust the column count, and you can adjust what category is being pulled in. This says product category slug, and all that means is if you're in your portfolio and you've created a category, let's call this one home page, for example, you can add it under portfolio and categories, and this slug is right here. So basically if we go under widgets and then that portfolio widget that we've been using, we can select home page, and now the homepage widget will pull from all posts of the homepage category, and it will pull 4 of them and 4 columns. And you can of course say something like 2 columns and 2 posts, whichever way you want to display them, and then they'll display below. I don't have any posts created for this example, but you can see how that would work. And that's how to create your home page and use all of the widgets.